Did you miss me? Because I missed you. We are back with another RV tour, and behind me we have the 2024 ROCKWOOD Mini LITE 2517S. Get your best friend, your significant other, maybe even just your dog, and check this out. To the outdoor kitchen, we have our outdoor stove. It's a 2-top, perfect. But we also have these little wing flaps, whatever you want to call them. This can help with not only maybe splatter from bacon grease or other types of things, but it also helps with the wind. So maybe you don't want your burner to go out, or maybe you just don't want your egg blowing off the pan. And it's not an outdoor kitchen without your mini fridge. So now we are inside, and I am sitting on this RV queen bed. Very comfortable. You have wardrobe on your right and your left. With this bed, you're also going to get a couch, and you wonder how? Well, let me show you. Really beware of pinch. Oh, that wasn't that bad. Nothing to be scared of, guys. We're going to lift up. Put a little hip into it. Look at that. Flip this in for safety. Both sides. Look at that. And I did it all by myself because we don't need no man. Just kidding. And now we're to the sofa. These do also recline, so you can really kick back and get comfortable. I have cup holders here, but this also can flip up. And you also might be noticing there's not a table, there's not a booth dinette. Who eats at tables anymore? TV trays? They're in. I call it right now 2024 trend. Mark my words. And it's a perfect angle to the TV. They got Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and way more. Bon appetit. Now we're in the kitchen. This kitchen has a ton of countertop space, drawers and cabinets, your appliances. It's the staples. It's just what you need. You have your stove, your oven, and your microwave. It's everything you need, so you can't really complain. We have a big farm sink. I don't know why, but I love the square sinks. I think they just look way more modern. A matte black faucet. I really think it gives it a pretty luxe kind of look to it. Also get a power tower. This is good because you have 2 outlets, 1 USB, and you get 1 USB-C too. So it's everything you need. And coming down along, again, all of this counter space, you have more storage and cupboards above and below. And actually, you also have it to the side. Check it out, check it out. And lastly, we're in the bathroom. I'm currently standing in the shower. It's nice, it is a stand-up. It is not a tub, but you are getting a removable shower head, so good for cleaning your feet, cleaning your kids, cleaning your animals, whatever it is. You have your skylight. There's still a ton of space. I'm 5'4.5". I would love to round up to 5'5", but my doctor won't let me. But there's still a ton of space, so even if you're a 6-footer, you'll have room. And when you step out of the shower, you're still, even in the bathroom, getting tons of counter space, which is good because I don't know about you guys, I lay all my stuff out. I like to see it all. So you have the space to do it. And you also have a medicine cabinet for extra storage. I'm also just noticing you have storage above the toilet as well. The storage is endless. It really doesn't get any better than this ROCKWOOD. Whew, gosh, if that was any other toilet, you might not want to go in there, but since this mini LITE has a porcelain toilet, you should be good. This ROCKWOOD is coming in just under 6,000 pounds and just about 26 feet in length. You're gonna want to come see it, and you can find it at RCD RV Supercenter at our Medina, Ohio location. It is right on our lot. Walk in, find yourself an RV specialist, and we will walk you to it.